Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified P1 2017 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a selenite gray metallic. Underneath it, it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. Silk beige Ambitex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 2 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, cup holders, touchpad wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 53,060 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.